that look familiar? Boy, that's quiet out. That's the only way to do this right here. Just telling you right now. That's the fuel filter. She's mounted underneath. Right here, you definitely want to do this. Trust me. Yeah, here's your update. How's it running? It's running. A Singer sewing machine. Like a Singer sewing machine. Hey fellas, PB2 Smurf here. Make sure when you're running this wire, when you get the kit out, that you get under the truck like I am now, and you run these wires with these before you run them up through the tail lights. They're labeled on which one goes where, so there's no messing it up. I'm going to run these with the factory wires that are up here. Reason being, I can take these wires right here and I can zip tie them up in the factory place, run them over, and then right here where this is where the factory wires go up and into the tail lights. So it's signal light, reverse light, brake light. Yeah. All right, brake. Take the foot off the brake. Reverse. Out of reverse. And turn the hazard on. Winner.